Nofollow versus Dofollow. What's the difference? And does it actually impact SEO? Let's find out. By default, all links are Dofollow links, which means they pass something called link equity to the pages they're linking to. That helps search engines determine which pages can be trusted and can even boost rankings. A nofollow link, on the other hand, has a nofollow attribute. It is mostly used when you don't want to vouch for a site or don't want to give SEO benefit, especially for ads and user-generated content. Why is it that Google introduced nofollow? Google used nofollow to prevent comment spam. People used to add their links and comments everywhere just to boost their rankings. So then, do nofollow links affect SEO? Nofollow links don't directly help a site rank because they don't pass link equity. But they can still bring traffic. And if somebody from that traffic decided to share your link, that can help your site rank. So when to use each link? Use Dofollow links when you trust the content and you want to endorse it. Use nofollow links when you are linking to sponsored content. You don't want to pass SEO value. The link is user generated, like blog comments. Let's quickly recap the difference between Dofollow and nofollow links. Dofollow links pass SEO value, and nofollow links don't pass any SEO value. Try our free SEO tools linked in the description. If you found the video useful, like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section, and I'll reply. Thanks for watching.